Happy Sunday, guys. How are you doing? Yeah, this is your girl Navi, and I'm back with another video. Well, today, I'm doing a comparison between summer and fall. And yes, let me know in the comments below which is your best season. Yeah, guys, so this was in summer when the trees were green and the grass was lush. So yeah, we can see God in its creation through nature, and I'm a nature lover, and I really like going on nature walks and just hearing the birds and the different creatures, water cascading over rocks. And for me, all these things give me peace of mind. But let me know in the comments below, what do you like? What are or is your best season of the year? I know not all parts of the world have all 4 seasons in its totality. I mean, like winter. Yeah, like coming from Jamaica, you will have like Christmas in that season will be a little bit cooler, but not cold where it's snow and all of that. But yeah, we do have all the different seasons. So let me know what is your best. I know most persons don't really like the sun like myself, so yeah, let me know. The beauty of God's creation. Can you imagine? Huh? Look at God. When you look at these things and you see how beautiful the green trees, they turn to this color in the fall. Isn't God amazing?
Can we touch a little bit water?
No.
Okay. I'm going to
Nice.
Yes, guys, this is from my balcony, and I must tell you that this phone is not really doing justice to the beauty that I'm seeing over there. This is how the trees changes during the winter time, and trust me, you have to see it for yourself to see the beauty. It is beautiful. Imagine waking up each morning to something like this. You see all different colors. You see red, green, orange, you name it, it's there. And this just tells you the goodness of God, because God is really awesome, guys. And this is nature and it's displayed. This is how beautiful nature looks here in Canada. So when it is fall, it is something to behold. And as far as your eyes can see, that's just the look of the different trees, guys. The different trees all around. Beauty and the splendor of God. So yes, guys, I just want to show you. And you must know by now that fall is one of my best season because of the beauty of the trees. Yeah. So there you have it. Yes guys, you have come to the end of the video. Let me know by commenting below your best part and how did you enjoy the scenery. Bye for now. Peace. I'm out.
Yeah.